Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku with 4 stars, number 6598. In today's newspaper of Thursday, June 15th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 1 star. 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the last puzzle, the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4 stars Sudoku, and this Sudoku, I always count a printed digit before I start. This one, 24 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this wheel of 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 3 2s, 2 3s, 1 4, 3 5s, 2 6s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 4 9s. So the 9s are a majority. Can I start with the 9? That's my question. Nope. Can I start with the 9? Let me see. 8 8 8. 2 should be here. Which number can I pick? How about let me see. This one, the 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3, it should be there. So 4 missing numbers now in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there in the middle column. We have a 6 in the second row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, yeah, 3 5s. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 in the middle column could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle columm. So the column next down, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 4 here. And I need a 7 here. 4 and a 7, okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the rest. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 8 4 3 8 4. Okay, and now 1 1. I need a 4 here. I need a 8 here. Well, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Now. 7. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in the middle row, so sorry, in the second row, so no 7 there. So the 7 in this column could be here, or there. See another 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, so the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7. 7, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. 6, 6, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this second column is the number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in the second column could be here or there. You see another 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 2. Alright. 1, 3, 4, 4. Yeah. Interesting. 3, 4, 3 and 4. 3, 4, and 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in the third column, so no 8 in this box here, and 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 1 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Let me see. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. Then 3, 4, 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and 9. Well, 1 and 9, this should be the 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 9 and the 4. Well, 9. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. 4, 9, 3, 4 and 9. Oh, yeah. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3, 4, 4. 3, 4, 3, 4. Come on. A 4 and a 9. 3 and a 4. 5, 5. 3 and a 4 also. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Yeah. Let me see. Let me think. I'm stuck. Where's the 1 and the 9? Yeah, we have a 1 and a 9. Could be everywhere. The 1. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4. 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 9. Two missing numbers in this row. For third row, for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finishes 16 minutes. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. But I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.